Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Val and I am a sewing DIY enthusiast. So today I'm bringing you a DIY inspired by Rihanna's Ankara jumpsuit. I was on Pinterest looking for inspiration to sew, and then I came across this picture of Rihanna, and then I realized I have a similar, not the same, similar fabric, and I thought, well, why not do a similar jumpsuit. So Nancy here is currently wearing the jumpsuit. I think it looks good on Nancy, and if you wanna find out how I made the jumpsuit, keep on watching. And if you are not interested in that, please do like and subscribe and comment below and tell me what you think of my DIY. Did I nail it, or was I almost there, or did I completely miss the plot? So this is how we look. Okay, I think on the pictures hers might have had pockets. If it didn't, then definitely should have, because I feel like mine, I should have put pockets in mine, because I don't know what to do with my arms. But if I had pockets, I put my hands in my pockets. Yeah, so I love this detail here. Actually, it was one of the reasons why I decided to DIY Rihanna's traditional Ankara jumpsuit. I couldn't actually see the detail of the back, but I just assumed that it's like similar to the front, that it has this whole V thing going on. So I decided to do a whole V thing also with the jumpsuit. So yeah, this is how we are looking. Yes, so if you're interested in finding out how I DIY'd this jumpsuit, just keep on watching and you will find out. And if you're not interested in that, please make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment below and let me know what you think about my take on the Rihanna jumpsuit. All right.